replaces the given string from the specified begin index and end index. Does this mean that, and we are giving the statement like sb dot replace 1 comma 3 Java. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will start at 1 and it will include 3, sir.
Yeah, just run it. Run, you'll understand. Run the program.
Okay. It gave like this, sir. From this program, I understood that it is starting at 1 and it is including 3.
Including Java, SH.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, I was speaking on mute. Java,
Okay.
then SH. So it has taken first character as L. So it started at 1. That is A.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, 8th position, it has replaced J. A is replaced by J. K is replaced.
A and K is replaced, sir. A and K is replaced with Java.
Go to the definition. Replace method replaces the given string from the specified begin index and end index. Okay. So what is the begin index? Go there now. The program.
One. A.
Begin index 1 is A. And end index is what? 3. What is 3? 0, 1, 2, 3, S.
Yes.
Right. So between A and S, the characters are there, AK basically.
Okay.
Right. So AK is replaced by Java.
Yes, sir. So from that statement, what I understood, as per my analysis, my doubt is arising at beginning index, it is replacing, sir. But when we are giving the end index,
right,
is not replacing. What I didn't understand that one.
Correct. Till there it is, so it is not replacing the end index one. So here S is the end index, but it is not replacing that. It is replacing till the previous character.
So it does not include the end index, sir. This means?
Yes.
Only by seeing that program, I am able to understand that it is not including. But when studying this theory, my mind is something like it replaces both the beginning and the end index. So I analyzed I wrote this program. So without seeing output, I analyzed that it should replace AK and S. So it is wrong.
Do one thing. Go to the Google or go to another tab. Search replace method of string buffer.
String method example, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now see the definition. The string buffer replace is the inbuilt method which is used to replace the characters in a substring of the sequence with the characters in the specified string. The simple characters okay. So it is a substring, it takes till the previous character. So do one thing. say go there, go to the Eclipse, go to Eclipse. Yeah. So go to Eclipse.
Yes, sir.
Now do one thing. Write one system.out
Where, sir? Here.
after line number 9. Copy the entire line number 9. Put there.
Yes, sir.
Instead of SB, within double quotation, you write Lakshmi. In capital letter, how you have. Then after the quotation, end quotation, say dot substring. Dot substring. The second one you choose. Okay. Say 1, 3.
3.
1, 3. Yeah, run it.
Right, sir.
See what is the substring it is giving.
AK.
Giving AK. So this is the standard substring, syntax. 1. So it is taking the starting character, but till the previous character of the last index. So it is like a 3 minus 1. So 2 characters here written,
Okay.
not the last index.
So we have to understand that it will replace only A and K when we are giving 1 and 3.
Correct.
Yes, third will be there.
Right.
It includes only the starting index but not the ending index. Okay, sir. These I understood, sir. Sir, I have a doubt with this program here. He told that the string buffer capacity method. So the string buffer class returns the current capacity of the buffer. So its default capacity is 16, it is saying.
Right.
And when we are adding it, it will be power of 2 plus 2. So if it is 16, 16 into 2 plus 2 is 34. For example, if so he already told here. So but here when we are writing, so for this program it will be displaying only the capacity, sir, whatever the string we are giving.
No, come again.
My doubt is what we are writing here a program like hello, Java is my favorite language, it is showing no, sir. So here this program is only to define what is the capacity, right, sir?
Capacity and how it is increasing it dynamically. So in case of string array, you have to define the size, right? Defining on a string array, you have to define the size.
Yes, sir.
But in string buffer, you don't have to define the size. So it will take 16 characters, 16. And then automatically it will increase with that formula.
Okay.
So so that it will use the memory in an optimized manner. Only as much it is required, that much memory it will consume.
So this 34 is also fixed, sir. Like 16 is default. So when we are increasing, 34 only will be the default size, sir, or it will be increasing?
That is the next default.
Next default.
Next default.
So when we are increasing again, it will be as 34 per 2.
What will be the number for after 34? If it increases, tell me. I will calculate.
So 34 into 2 plus 2.
Correct. So that is 68 plus 2. That is 70.
70.
Yes.
So this is for buffer capacity method, sir. The other method is also given here. that is the ensure capacity method. Here what you told as 70, that is coming here, sir, in this program. So 34 into 30. So my question is, in ensure it is giving us minimum capacity, current capacity is 16. When we are increasing it, it is getting double. So will
what
we
is the
be
definition
using
of ensure capacity? Let's see. Saying ensure capacity method of the string buffer class ensures that the given capacity is the minimum to the current capacity. So basically minimum capacity is set. So SP
16?
dot um, but in your program, if you don't give minimum capacity, it will be 60. Okay, so it is
Default.
greater than the current capacity. Okay,
Mm.
it increases the capacity of by the probabilities. For example, if your current capacity is 16, it will be 34.
34.
So current capacity when it is increasing, that is not based on your the ensure capacity. Ensure capacity is basically fixing your starting capacity, not the end capacity. So
Okay,
by
okay.
default, starting capacity is 16. But probably in many cases you don't need 16. You need only, let's say,
Okay.
2 characters or 1 character. So that time you can
Okay.
use ensure capacity so that it will use 1 or 2, so you can save your memory. So in case of very small program, it does not make much difference. But when you are processing data in terabytes, okay, and gigabytes, that time it matters.
Okay, sir. So practically, when we are having a large program, then we have to go with ensure capacity, sir.
Yes. When you are writing a program, what happens is, let's say, I will talk about the cell. Okay. So during, let's say, Dasara festival, there will be huge amount of cell. Okay. But throughout the year, there is no cell for, let's say, for crackers. Okay. So throughout the years, it is very less. So
Yes,
when
sir.
the still your application should be up and running, so that you can still buy. So when you are defining some variables, okay, so it is up and running and you are defining with a minimum capacity, let's say with 2 characters. Okay,
Okay.
but when you saw that during the during the Diwali, it increases very high. So that time, if you are using string buffer, it automatically it will increase and it will go to its maximum level as per your hard disk capacity or RAM capacity. Okay,
Okay.
and it will execute it. And once the festival is gone, then again it will reduce down to 2 or 5, whatever the minimum characters you have defined. So in that way, you can save the memory.
Okay.
And for small programs, it does not matter, but it matters only when you are processing gigabytes and terabytes of.
Okay, sir. So the only difference that is the difference, sir. Only my doubt is there.
1 minute again.
Okay. Sir, how to create an immutable class. So in this program, I didn't do this program still, sir. I started now studying on this one morning. So here, sir, public final class means it is declaring that it is immutable here, the class employee.
No, public class, it is not immutable. Come down.
Public final class is not immutable, sir.
No, it is not about, it is not final, no? So how it is making immutable, you need to see that, right? So pub, is it a immutable class or immutable class?
Immutable class, sir.
Immutable demo. Now, public final class employee. So this is a final class, and also the variable which you have, okay, PAN card number, that is also final. Okay. Now inside the constructor, you have this assignment for the variable, and then you are returning that value. So here, since it has only one parameter which is final and the class is also final, that is why it is an immutable class. Because if cannot change here anything. So normally what we change the value, right?
Hmm.
But here PAN card number is the only value which you cannot change.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is immutable.
So, uh, as per his description here, in this example, he said that we have created a final class named employee.
Hmm.
So, does that mean he is creating this one, sir?
It is creating.
So, this is he have created a final
Employee is a
class name.
final class, and then you have immutable demo. So inside the demo, go there, actually create those class separately, and then execute it.
Huh.
Then you
Okay, sir. I'll do it, sir. I didn't do. I just started analyzing it. So, I didn't
what will
go for
happen
that.
is, after you create it, and after creating it, you try to change the value. It will not
Hmm.
change. It will throw error.
Okay. Sir, this dot PAN card number, how this one they have given, sir? We have to go with this one.
What?
This line, sir.
Huh.
This dot PAN card it has given, no, sir. PAN card number. I am not able to go with this syntax, sir. How we have given this dot PAN card?
Yeah. So this is a current object.
Hmm.
So whenever you are creating objects and you
Hmm.
operating on that class, right? This
Hmm.
indicates the current object, the keyword, right?
Hmm.
So this dot PAN card equals to PAN card number. So whenever you are creating the employee object, the current
Hmm.
value of the current object is this.
Okay.
So it will take some
So
time for you to understand when you do multiple programs with this variable. Specifically when you use multiple threads and all, you understand. So this basically, even you will think that why I am adding the same variable to same variable,
yes, sir.
right? So what happens is when
Hmm.
you're creating multiple objects, okay,
Hmm.
few objects
Hmm.
will be older.
Okay.
Let's say you have created 5 objects. Okay, so the
Hmm.
latest object is different than the previous objects.
Hmm.
Okay, when you say this phi this dot get PAN card number, let's say, then it will give you the last one, last PAN card number
Okay.
was added.
Hmm.
So it is a concept for the current object.
Okay. So as you said, I'll give the print system dot println statements and I'll execute
Execute
it,
it
sir.
and then you will.
Hmm. I just started analyzing that one. That's all.
Okay.
And in string tokenizer, sir,
Ah.
I started studying. I have done the first program. So tokenizer means it is give each one it is considering as a token.
Here it is token means you are splitting that sentence into multiple
Hmm.
parts. And
Multiple
every part is
parts.
called as a token.
Token. Like my name is Khan.
My name is, it could be
Is Khan.
multiple words also.
Hmm. Each and everything it is considering as a token.
Token, every word is considered as a token because
Token.
your token split is a space. See, what is the syntax? New of string tokenizer. Then you have passed the string, comma, then you have given a space.
Hmm.
So based on the space, it will split the words.
Okay.
Now instead of a space, if you give dot,
Okay, sir.
what it will return, you see. I think
Okay, sir.
yesterday we did a similar program.
Yes, sir. We have done it.
No?
Split. For split, we have done it.
Similar to that.
Hmm. So this one is fine, sir. This is a simple program for string tokenizer. But coming to this one, sir, next token string delim method, I didn't understand what is its output, sir.
So it is the same.
What?
So delimiter. So in the previous program, it is space. Space is the delimiter, but here you are using comma as a delimiter. As I told you, you can put dot.
Okay, okay.
So
Okay.
if you see
So,
in this case, sentence is one,
Hmm.
comma, name, comma, is, comma, plus.
Hmm.
Okay. So even if you remove one comma from the middle, let's say my, comma, name
Hmm.
is,
Hmm.
comma, son. So name is
Hmm.
together will be in a single token.
Okay. Why, sir, we have given here comma, no, sir? Even between my, there is comma, is, it is comma, no, sir?
So that is up to your need.
Okay.
You can give anyway.
So,
And
as per
actually,
my requirement, I can change it anywhere, but
anywhere, yes.
it will consider what the syntax we have given to print here, the token.
Whenever it
This
finds a comma, then it will
huh.
split the sentence up to that character.
Okay, okay. And this more tokens method, sir. So it is giving the entire thing as again the as you told, like in as there is no comma, so it has given each and everything, sir.
Yeah, that is why every word is separated one by one.
Hmm. Hmm. So what is the
Here,
difference between that one, sir?
go little up. So it is trying to explain you has more tokens. So
Hmm.
you have the while loop, no? st dot
Yes,
has
sir.
more tokens, right?
Hmm.
So it is giving
Hmm.
you explaining about that method has more tokens.
Hmm.
So how you will split the numbers? You see the previous program how it is it has split it. So
This one, sir, or first?
here st dot next token. Only the next token it is
Hmm.
one token.
Yes.
Okay, go up
Huh.
the previous one where you printed all tokens, right? So here you see all tokens are printed using has more tokens.
Huh.
It
Huh.
is same program, but it is separately. It is explaining what is has more token.
That's the difference I didn't find. Only this one, sir, the space or with comma we are separating. This one is the difference, sir. What is the difference? I'm not able to
No difference.
identify.
There is no difference. It is just
Huh.
giving one more example where it is trying to say what is has more token.
Okay, so program is same,
Program
justice
is
is
same. It is
given.
just separately explaining you that this is how we use has more token.
Okay, okay. Fine, sir. Sir, only up to here I have studied, sir, today. I have to work now on this one. And I finished up to here, sir, in the line. Up to this one. String tokenizer class, and I have to study the Java string frequently asked questions, and I have to come to the string methods now, sir. Up to here I have done, sir. So around some 8 to 9 programs are there in this string buffer class. So because of that, it has taken a time for me to move on.
No, but that is important. You learned it, so that's
Hmm. So that's all, sir, for today.
okay. Then let's see.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.